In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check upvoted posts on Reddit. If you've ever wanted to go back and find a post you liked before, Reddit makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. Your upvoted section is a handy place to revisit posts you've already interacted with, whether you want to read something useful, find a funny post again, or keep track of content you supported earlier. To get started, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by opening the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do that first, since your upvoted history is tied to your personal profile and won't be visible otherwise. Once you're on Reddit and signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Reddit keeps account-related options, settings, and shortcuts to your personal activity. If you don't immediately recognize it, it may appear as a small avatar or profile image. After clicking your profile icon, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal Reddit profile page where you can see your posts, comments, and other activity associated with your account. This area is useful anytime you want to review your own history on the platform. When you're on your profile page, look for the Upvoted tab and click it. This opens the section that shows posts and content you've previously upvoted. From there, you can scroll through your history and revisit anything that still appears in that list. One important thing to keep in mind is that this section is meant for your own reference, so it helps you quickly locate things you've already engaged with instead of trying to search for them again manually. If you use Reddit often, this can save a lot of time. Also, if you don't see the upvoted section right away, make sure you're viewing your own profile and that you're logged into the correct account. In some cases, the layout may look slightly different depending on updates to Reddit's design, but the general path stays the same. Profile icon, view profile, then upvoted. And that's it. That's how to check upvoted posts on Reddit. Once you know where this section is, it becomes a quick and useful way to find content you have liked before.